Welcome to entering asset information into a Georgia First Marketplace requisition. If an item being requested is an asset or needs to be tracked in the Asset Management module, you can specify this information on the requisition. By specifying the asset information on the requisition, the information will transfer to the purchase order, receipt, and voucher. After that, the information from the Purchasing and Accounts Payable modules can be interfaced into Asset Management. Items that need to be tracked in Asset Management include items valued over $3,000, fixed assets valued at or above $5,000, small value property items, and items such as firearms that must be tracked through the physical inventory process. Let's say that we received an email from ITS Shopper 01 asking us to enter asset management information when we create a requisition from her cart. To do that, we'll select eProcurement. Then we'll select Requisition and click the Georgia First Marketplace link. This time we'll select the cart under Action Items. Now that our cart is open, we can see that our requisition line item is a 12-student double-sided service center with full cupboard that cost $11,330. Click the Proceed to Checkout button. Click the Issue Requisition button so that we can get to the Checkout, Review, and Submit page where we will make our changes. First, we'll update our requester by inputting the shopper's user ID. We'll click Yes that we do want the information associated with our requester changed. Not only do we need to indicate that this is an asset, but we also need to update the Ship To location so that the asset is delivered to Central Receiving. This is the general procedure for all assets that go to Property Control before being received. If you do not need to change the shipping address, then you would expand the requisition and accounting line so that you could see your chart fields as you normally do. We'll click on Edit for all lines under Shipping Summary. Then we'll click on the lookup icon next to Ship To and select Central Receiving. Notice that we can also see our accounting information on this screen, so we'll change our asset information here. We'll select the Asset Information tab. You need to enter the Asset Information Business Unit and the Profile ID. For this example, we are using Business Unit 40,000, so that's what I'll enter. We're going to use the asset profile of Other Equipment 5-year. I'll click on the lookup icon for Profile ID and scroll down until I see the profile I need. I'll click on its link. And that's all we need to enter for asset information. Since this is all the changes we need, I'll click OK. Then we'll click OK so that our change will be distributed to all lines. Now we can save for later and preview approvals or go ahead and submit. I'll save and submit. Now your requisition line item for the Student Service Center asset is on its way for approval. This concludes this lesson. Return to the ePro Georgia First Marketplace training page to access additional lessons. If you have further questions, please contact the ITS Help Desk at helpdesk@usg.edu. Thank you for attending.